So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's interesting. I'm in an interesting space right now. I sat down with no clue of what I really want to talk about. So I think this is going to be a video where I feel like I might let spirit just like flow through me. We'll see how this works out. But So today I want to talk about choice. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and or experience. And I'm going through something in my life, my personal life, that really is challenging. But I wanted to talk about choice because I think especially when we go through hardships and challenges, we think that we don't have choice, and we always at all times have choice. And I think that everything happens for a reason, and it's about how you react to it and what you choose to do moving forward, and how the reflection of your life, what is it showing you, and how perhaps you can restyle your life to be the outfit that you choose for yourself. Like I said, I believe that there are things that come into play when it comes to creating your reality. And so part of it is the deliberate creation, as well as allowing things to happen, because they talk about this when it comes to like creating your reality, especially when it comes to the teachings of Neville Goddard, is that bridge of incidents, right? So you are deliberate in your creation, and there's a bridge of incidences. Am I saying that right? Maybe. A bridge of incidences that happen that's going to get you to the place that you desire, the place that you want to be, or the place that you need to be. So in that bridge of incidences, it might be things that you don't want to experience, but perhaps it is based off your belief system as well. So I don't know. But I do believe that it is based off some of your belief systems that you do carry. So that bridge of incidences. So things might happen in your life that you're like, wow, I did not see that coming. Oh, and like things like that you did not see coming, that's very challenging. But however, I do believe that those are part of the things that are going to get you to the place that you want to be, that you need to be, that so I know oftentimes when we talk about creating our reality and choosing our outfit, we're always talking about it like, hey, you choose everything, and and essentially you are, but there is another deeper layer to this, that there is God, divine, that sees things that you, my friend, cannot see, that is showing you something, that is taking you somewhere that you just don't see at this moment. And I think it's important for us to talk about those things. I think it's important for us to talk about those things because it's important to understand, because if you're coming from a place of creation, if you're coming from a place of power and choice, you know that it's all for my greatest good. It is all for my greatest good. And it's not, so when you have that kind of power, when you have that kind of understanding, you know that I'm good. I'm so good. I'm going to be okay. And that is comforting when you're going through something that's really hard. So it's important for us to understand that and get that. I shared a quote from Wayne Dyer. I don't know if it's a direct quote from him or he was quoting someone else, but it's like if you know who walks beside you, you will never encounter fear ever again. You know, you will never encounter fear ever again. Because you know you're good. You know that the universe has your back, as they say. You know, the universe has your back. So we might not understand the things that we go through that's going to take us to the place that we need to be or want to be. We might not understand how to build that garment, that outfit that we have. We don't know how to sew. I don't know how to sew. I don't know how to sew. I know how to design. I don't know how to sew. We might not understand all the intricate details that go into building our outfit and designing our outfit, you know. But we know that our outfit is complete. When you understand that, all bets are off. You know you're good, girl. You know you're good. You know. So, interesting. This is an interesting video. I just wanted to share that, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. You guys, we got some amazing things coming down the pipeline. We are in production for episode 2 of Colorado's Grand Talent, Can You Dance? So, hey, calling all dancers, amazing dancers, if you can dance, you might want to submit your audition to Colorado's Grand Talent, okay? We got, what else? We got some amazing things coming from Magical Beauty. We got a new launch coming from, it's now Censored brand. It's not Girl Censored. It's the Censored apparel brand. We got a new launch coming up for the guys. We have a guys line now, which is amazing. I'm so excited. But yeah, so we have that launch coming up, and we have a new product from Magical Beauty coming. You guys are going to love this. I mean, this is not a makeup product. It's a skincare product, an exfoliating product that is all natural, that is just with premium ingredients, that is just going to leave your skin looking amazing. And if you do not know, I talk about pearl powder all the time and the benefits for the skin, and I talk about the benefits for the skin, but if you do not know, exfoliating your skin is also very important because it helps with skin turnover. The older we get, the less of that cell turnover we get, so that's when your skin becomes dull. Who likes that? So pearl powder, amongst other ingredients that I'm not going to tell you just yet, is going to leave your skin looking amazing. Girlfriend, yes. Anyways, what else? That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.